Hello guys, welcome to another product review and unboxing, and today we are going to be reviewing and unboxing the Alctron PF8. So before we move on, as usual, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like my videos, share to friends and family, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. Let's go there right now, guys. So guys, the name of the product is Alctron and its PF8 is a simple studio mic screen. So what's the work of this Alctron? In general, the work of this Alctron is for you to protect your mic so as to reduce environmental noise when using the mic, making use of your mic to record, maybe in the studio, in music production, or broadcasting live. So that's the main work of the Alctron PF8. So before we move on, let's just take a look around the carton of the Alctron PF8 simple studio mic screen. So first of all, let's take a look at the front view. You can see the front view here. So this is the side view. Yes, this is the side view. And before I move on, I want us to be beware of buying fake Alctron. So to detect the fake Alctron on the carton body, there's not gonna be anything here. Yes, I think that's how to detect the fake. There is fake, and when you see the fake Alctron, the foam will be really black. It will be really dark. So be beware of that. So this is the side view, this is the back view, and in the back view here you see a general description of the simple studio microphone screen PF8. You can see it is a PF8 made of high quality noise reduction foam. The shape is cylindrical, cute and fashion. So the main function of this is to reduce noise when recording with your microphone. You have to insert some microphone in it, and you can see a few features here. We are still going to come back here to take a look at the features. So let's take a look at this side also. You can also make use of the QR code to check out this and see their website link here and many more. Also, let's take a look at the under. The under is just as usual, and also let's take a look at the top, which just have the Alctron simple studio microphone screen. Reduce later modification, reduce the environmental noise. So guys, let's take a look at the features. So guys, let me tell you some features of this Alctron PF8 simple studio mic screen. As usual, in a layman's language, the work of this is that is a foam that has an aluminium mesh in which you input your mic so as to reduce environmental noise when recording music, broadcasting live, doing podcast. So at the back you see some few features which are optimize your sound, reduce later modification, integration windscreen, reduce the environmental noise. So let me tell you some other features of this simple studio microphone screen. Like, it's increased recording quality, it's portable and easy to use, and this simple studio microphone screen is easily mounted on most large diaphragm condenser microphone, and it's made of high quality noise reduction and has an aluminium mesh. Like I've said earlier, it reduces environmental noise, its integration windscreen, and as I've said also earlier, that it optimizes your sound. So let's unbox these products right now. So guys, let's unbox these products right now. Wow, so it comes with a manual, which you can see here. It also comes with, I think, some other sort of manual, and some are not in English language, I think Chinese. And also this, then let's bring out the main products right now. This is our Alctron PF8, in which you can insert your mic so you can have a good recording and no noise reduction. So let me bring it up. Can you see it, guys? So let me bring it out right now. Then you have this. So what's the work of this? when you want to insert your mic and it's very hard to input your mic, you just have to make use of this. It will help your mic to be grip into it. So you just have to put in your mic here, and then it comes out of here, and then you have to put in your mesh in it. So guys, I just had to pause to input this, then you have to wait, then you can be able to record a good music, and then you can be able to do a good broadcast, a good podcast, because it's going to filter the noise, the environmental noise, and your mic is going to be enclosed in this. So if you are planning on starting music or you want to have a studio, make sure you get the Alctron PF8. It's important to have a good to have good noise reduction and to have a good music production. So let's take a look at the price of the Alctron PF8. So the Alctron PF8, I actually talked to Bad AI, which is the Google AI, for the price of the Alctron PF8. So let's take a look at it right here. So you can see that you can get the Alctron PF8 on Jumia for the price of 12,990, on Konga 13,500, reverb.com $29, and you can also get it on amazon.com for $34.499. So one thing to also know is that the Alctron PF8 Simple Studio mic screen costs between 10,000 to 15,000 in Nigeria, and is that is equivalent to 25 to 37 US dollars. That's the price of the Alctron PF8, the Simple Studio mic screen. So guys, that is not the end of the price of this product. So like I've said earlier, beware of this product, because there's a lot of fake of this product. There are a lot of fake of this product, in which I showed you here that the carton, I think, let me just bring this back here. The blue that is going to be here is going to be something faint. It's not actually going to be like this blue. That is the fake of this. And the mic screen is going to be very, very black. That is the fake of the Alctron PF8. And another thing to know about this fake product is that it's actually cheap. You can get the fake product for those prices I showed you on the Bad AI, but I bought this for the price of 30k. This is 30,000 naira, and we actually bought it. Explain to me about the fake product, so I can be able to detect a product that is fake, in which is an Alctron PF8. So please beware. So which means that when you want to buy the original of this, you should get it for the price range of like maybe 25k to 30k, or from like 30k to 40k. That's 30,000 naira to 40,000 naira, or 25,000 naira to 30,000 naira. But anything like 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, be very, very sensitive that it might be fake. So guys, before we come to the end of this video, make sure you check the description section and also check the comment section for any important information, and also to get some of my videos about other products I've reviewed that is related to studio and studio equipment. Make sure you check the description section, and also it might pop up as an end screen in the end of this video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to friends and family. One love from me to you. God bless you all. Bye.